Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. As promised, here are some updates on my Galaxy Z Flip. I've been using the black version for a little bit of time. And I really like this this ultra thin case here that they have for the Galaxy Z Flip. There's not a lot of companies out there that have cases for this device. I mean, it's slim pickings. It is very, very limited. I'm glad Ringke stepped up to the plate and actually got some cases for it. Now let me just show you the black. This is what it looks like. On the front here, you've got a little bit of lip protection around the top there, just a hint. But there is lip protection. With the Galaxy Z Flip, you have like these little bumpers on the bottom here to protect the top layer of the glass. So when you close it together, they don't touch. So, that's just something that you should take note of. But looking around the case here, you've got these little indentions like you do for the ultra thin cases. All ports and everything are going to line up perfectly fine. And that is how the case looks. And on the outside, you've got the little display there that'll display the time and notifications and things like that. And you've got a lifted area for the camera. So just in case you're a person who lays your phone this way, it is definitely protected. And you've got your fingerprint reader / power button there and your Via Rock in there. And it's actually pretty comfortable to use. Let's unlock it here. It's pretty comfortable to use. You've got little indentions there. It just feels really good. It's not bad at all. It's like it's not even there. It's definitely different than my leather case that I bought for this phone. So it's a lot thinner, but you still get that same feel. So here is the frost, and I want to leave this one in the packaging just so you could know exactly how it comes to you. This is the way it comes. It's got a little fake phone in there. It's got some materials, eco-friendly packaging. So I didn't seal this one down yet, even though I've been using it, because it has these little sticky tabs here and on the bottom portion, on the top, and this portion here. Now, the reason I didn't seal it down is because the case actually works great without sealing it down. But I'm going to go ahead and pop this off here, and I'll put this one on just to show you the frost, what it looks like. I don't think the frost is the best looking one for the black, which is why I've been wearing the black. But this is how it looks. Makes the phone look kind of gray. Looks kind of cool. I didn't put this on, so I guess now that I have it on, it does look pretty good. Just the black. My phone is black, so that's why I just wore the black. But ultimately, this is what the cases look like. So if you decide to pick these up, you'll see links in the description. And once again, shout out to Ringke for sending these over for review. I guess this clear frost does look pretty decent. So they're the same. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.